name is Paul. For you guys that haven't seen my channel before, I just turned 21 and I'll be talking about 3 biggest takeaways that I was able to learn throughout 365 days just grinding every waking hour. Just a little bit of a background story. Last year, 2022, November 22nd was when I started my monk mode journey. Before that, I was actually working at 2 restaurants, both of them as a server. I was also in university for a business program, but I always wanted something more and I knew that I could have done something better. And that's when I realized that I had to make a change, which meant that I had to change the input, the daily actions throughout my life. When I first started my monk mode, I quit 2 of my jobs. I even paused my university just to make sure that I have no plan B, and I had to make this work because I do believe if you have a plan B, when you start your plan A, you're already looking for an escape plan and you're going to fall into your plan B regardless because the mindset is crucial. Just a little background story. I knew nothing about dropshipping, copywriting, marketing whatsoever. I started my monk mode journey with copywriting. I educated myself for almost 8 to 10 hours every single day for about 2 weeks, and I got my first client, and I was actually providing my service to a dropshipping brand, and I came to a realization that I could also do this myself, which is why I kind of transitioned into dropshipping because I knew a lot about the marketing and the copywriting aspect, and that's when everything started. In the beginning, I knew nothing about dropshipping. I had to search everything from YouTube. All the questions that I had, they were all answered on YouTube. It's crazy how people don't take the opportunity of the internet and the access to the information that we have, which is 1 click, 1 type, and 1 search away. Anything that you want to know, any skill that you want to build, you're literally 1 search away.